my channel. So in this video we are going to see what is TestComplete, how to install it, and how to create a new project in TestComplete. So TestComplete is basically a paid automation tool which is used to automate the desktop, web as well as mobile automation. But since there are a lot of open source options available to automate web and mobile applications, so in this video we are going to see how we can automate desktop applications using TestComplete. So let's first quickly see how we can do the installation of TestComplete. So you just need to open your browser and you need to search for TestComplete. You will find the first URL from SmartView. Just open it. Here you will see a start my free trial, so you have to click over here. Here it will ask you for the details. You have to enter your work email, your first name, your last name, your company name, your mobile number, and you have to click on start trial. So TestComplete basically provides a trial for 14 days, and after that you need to purchase the license. So once you click on start trial, it will start the downloading and it will show you a message like this: thanks for downloading. And once you download it, you can just double click on that and select the path where you want it to install, and you just need to click on next. Since I already have it installed, that's why I'm not repeating the steps. So after installation you will find such icon, TestComplete. So you just need to double click on this to open it. So in this TestComplete learning, we are going to automate the calculator application. So this is how it looks like. So let's create a new project. You have to go to File, New Project. Here, since we will be automating calculators, so that's why I will name the project as Calculator Automation. Then you can select the path. I'm happy with this path. And in scripting language, you can select whichever language you want to do the scripting. Since TestComplete provides us multiple options to automate, you can do the record and play, and you can even write the script for the same, and you can even use some of the activities by dragging and dropping it. So it basically supports three scripting languages, say JavaScript, Python, and VB script. So whichever you are familiar, you can create the project in that language. So I will be going with JavaScript only. Then after this, you need to click on finish. Then it will create a project for you. So this is how the project looks like, calculator automation. And here we have this test one created. So that's all for this video. In next video we are going to do automate the calculator application using record and play. Thanks for watching.